How to make money from trading. How to make money from trading is what we are going to be talking about today. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for future educational videos. And if you have been here before, you're welcome. Do comment in the section below. Let's know how we can help you further. Quick disclaimer. The information that we're going to be giving you is not a guarantee of success, but rather it's what you do with the information that will determine if you are going to be successful or not. And also, this video should not be used as a form of trading advice. Don't place any trade based on the videos posted. And also, in order for you to be successful in the business, you need to practice. Very, very important. In this video, you are going to learn how money is made from trading. Yes, that's why you are here. You are here strictly because of money. In order to benefit from this video, you need to pay attention. So please do away with your WhatsApp, with your Facebook, with any distractions out there, and pay full attention. By the end of this video, you are going to definitely be better enlightened on how to make money from trading. I wonder how many times we have mentioned money, just to show you that we mean business here. Speaking of business, the business of trading is all about making money. So what is trading? Trading is simply the buying and selling of different instruments. I repeat, trading is simply the buying and selling of different instruments such as Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, equities, indices, and a whole lot more. When we talk about Forex, we're talking about the likes of Euro, USD, Pounds, Japanese Yen, Australian dollar, and the rest of them. Commodities, the likes of charcoal, sugar, cotton, cryptocurrencies, the father of all the cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Ripple. We have equities, Amazon, Google, Facebook, indices, DAX, the FTSE, the NASDAQ, and a whole lot of instruments that you can trade. So how do you now make this money? That is the question. You make money from the fluctuations in price. You make money from the fluctuations in price, meaning that price could either go up or price could go down. If price is going to go up, then we should be buying. Don't forget, we're here to look at how to make money. So if the price is going to go up, then we should be buying. And if the price is going to go down, then we should be selling. It all has to do with the direction at the end of the day. Up or down. Up means that we buy, and then down means that we sell. So how do you know when price is going to go up or when price is going to go down? Information. Information is what will help you in knowing if it's going to go up or it's going to go down. Information. As they always say, information is power, information is key. For example, what direction? And as we ask this question, you can pause the video and answer this yourself. What direction did price go as a result of the COVID-19 lockdown effect? I'm sure you remember that lockdown effect where in more or less all over the world, in March, April 2020, there was lockdown all over the world, in Africa, in the US, in Europe, and other parts of the world. What happened to the shares of Netflix? Did the shares of Netflix go up or did the shares of Netflix go down? I'm sure that you are answering that question yourself and you are saying, oh, of course, the shares went up. Remember we said if it's going up, then you can be buying to make money. So the shares of Netflix went up, and this was simply because of social distancing. People were at home, and then because they were at home, what happened? They resorted to watching movies, watching series, and so on. And that helped the shares of Netflix to appreciate because people were subscribing and subscribing and subscribing. I hope you understand that. Don't forget, everything has to do with direction, whether it's up or down, you would know. And then, of course, you will know how to trade accordingly. Example number 2. When we had the Brexit, when it was announced in 2016, what direction did the pounds go? You can see we're asking about direction again. So what direction did the pounds go? Think about it. It went down. The pounds went crashing. That was not a good news for the UK. So basically, you need to ask yourself that question. The information I have, is it good information or is it bad information? That is the key question. You get an information, ask yourself if it is good or if it is bad. Good information simply means that you should be buying, and then bad information simply means that you should be selling. Period. Take note of this. This is very important. Information based on the market analysis is what you need to know. Market analysis. Information based on market analysis is what you need to know. And market analysis is what will help traders, is what will help you to make money from this business. Imagine how it would be if you understood market analysis. If you could read the market, if you could study the market, if you could interpret the market, if you could examine the market, if you could evaluate the market in order to make money, you will be able to trade profitably. Yes, exactly. That's what everybody wants. Everybody wants to trade the market and be profitable at the end of the day. This is where a lot of traders actually struggle. They don't know how to read the market, they don't know how to interpret it, and then they tend to have a lot of losses, right? I hope this is all making a bit of a sense to you. How to make money is based on information, based on market analysis that would help us to know the direction, if it is going up or if it is going down. If this doesn't make sense, then of course it can't make money. So I want to believe it's making sense. And if you say yes, it's making sense, then of course you should know that eventually you can make money from the business. If you want to know how to understand the market analysis, you can book a call via the link below to discuss further. This is the link, but it's also in the description. You can hit it, book a call, and then we can discuss further market analysis or anything related to trading. There's also a profitable trading with low risk webinar. I have a webinar, the profitable trading with low risk method, that would enlighten you the more on how to trade. The link to the webinar is also in the description below. Now, if you have any questions, then you can post in the comment section. We want questions so that we know how we can help you out. Let's also know if this video was a bit enlightening from you, if it has shed more light as to how you are supposed to be making money. Don't forget, you are not supposed to waste your time. If I were to ask you when do you want to make money, your answer would be now. So I want to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, it does help the algorithm, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye for now. Thank you, everybody. Cheers.